Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing something that I haven't done yet, which is space testing my homemade boombox. And then, since this video is an HDR video at 60 FPS, I'm using my phone, and I have my old iPod Touch, which actually sounds kind of funny because this is the newest iPod. It's the 7th gen iPod Touch, but you know, it's, I guess, but anyways, yeah, so I'm going to be playing this song first. It's a Yellow Wolf Louder, so let's see how that goes. Hold on a second, guys, I just thought of something. I'll be right back. Instead of holding my phone bare with my hand, I have this tripod here that you can put a phone in it, so alright. Way more convenient. Alright guys, let's continue. Alright, now let's try a different song. Alright, so I'm going to be playing a song that I haven't played ever since I made that 4 JBL speakers in one video. So it's going to be Bass I Love You right there. So let's hit play, see how that goes. The volume is just a little bit more than half. It's just so like it doesn't distort, so right. I gotta turn it up a little bit more actually. There we go, one notch up. Oh yeah, that's enough. Pretty nice movement. Not bad. Alright, try a different one now. Alright, so I'm going to be playing the same song I played on my my computer speaker subwoofer when I played the song when I made that video. So, there's that song again. Be pressing play, see how that sounds on this, so yeah.
some pimpin', man.
Pretty good. Nice movement. Alright, I'm done now. So hope you guys enjoyed that video of me just like playing some bass songs on my homemade boombox. It's just like the slightest warmth ever. Dust cap. I feel the amplifier. How warm is the amplifier? Just feel that real quick. If I can find the, oh yeah. Okay, so it's warm. It's not bad. It's normal operating temperature. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.